Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be starting at the very beginning of the TMSCA number sense tricks. And so we're just going to be covering the very basics, and to start it off we're going to be covering addition. So basically this is just going to teach you how to add numbers quicker, and I know adding is something that's really simple, but these are just some small tricks to make it a bit easier, especially for the TMSCA competitions where everything is timed and you have to just speed your way through it all. You don't want to be working on it by hand and mess something up, yeah? So we're just going to start off with an example. Alright, and I'm going to do 25 plus 38. So the first step is to take the digit in the ones place of the two numbers and add those digits up. So you're going to be adding up 5 and 8. And so I'm sure all of you can do that in your head and know that that is 13. And then so you're just going to remember the number 13 and you're going to carry the 1. Okay, so just remember that we are carrying the 1. And then you're going to add the numbers in the tens place of these two digits. And so you're going to do 2 plus 3. And since we carried the 1, you're just going to add that 1 in there too. And that is a 6. And since we carried this 1, this basically crosses out. And so 6 and 3. So our answer is 63. Now, to have that make a little bit more sense for you, basically what you're doing is you're adding the numbers from the two original digits, which is these two. You're adding the numbers that were in the ones place, right? So you did 5 plus 8, and then you keep the 3. And I wrote the 1 just to show you guys, give you a visual, but really the 1 should not be there, right? Because it's a number that's in the tens place, so you're going to add it in with the other numbers in the tens place. And so the number that you get by adding up all the numbers in the tens place is the tens place of your final answer. And so yeah, I hope that made sense. I don't know if that was a little bit confusing, but the concept is the same as normal addition. You're just breaking it down in a way to which you can do it in your head. So now let's do example 2. So I'm going to take the numbers 45 plus 31. Yeah? And so you guys know that the first thing we're going to be doing is adding the numbers in the ones place. And if you add 5 plus 1 up, we both know that that gets us 6. And then you're going to add the numbers in the tens place. And since 6 is just a single number with no value in the tens place, you're not carrying anything. So you're doing 4 plus 3, which is 7. And my mistake, you guys, up here I accidentally wrote 6, but really what the step should have been was the 5 and the 1 equals 6, and it should have been written below it, but that was my mistake. I'm sorry. So I'll just go ahead and erase this 6, and I'll just erase this 2, and I'll just do it from the beginning really quickly for you guys. I already walked through it, but I'll just put the steps out for you guys. So it's adding up the numbers in the ones place. 5 plus 1 equals 6. No number in the tens place of 6, it's a singular number, so you just nothing to carry, you move right on to the numbers in the tens place. 4 plus 3 equals 7, and then your answer is 76. So yeah, it's really just as simple as that. It really is just basic addition. It's just putting it out in a way for you to do it in your head. So this was chapter 1.1 of TMSCA number sense. We're just going to be working our way through it. I know that sometimes it's really hard to find materials for TMSCA number sense, or TMSCA in general. It's not something that's it's not something which is widely available. So I just wanted to put this out there from what I learned when I was competing in these math competitions, and I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.